find a way to focus. Putting it in motion, didn't get the notion. On my shit list, cause I think you lack emotion. No, it's my fault, my options open. I could cut you off, need to find a way to focus. I won't act like I care. Putting on my blinds like the problem ain't there. Not treating me fair. I need a witness to tell me it's there. Contradict from the start, now in need of repair. Not